sales cycle. Today we will be talking about penetrance versus expressivity. First, let's define each term we will be learning about today. Penetrance is said to be the extent to which a particular gene or set of genes is expressed in the phenotypes of individuals carrying it. Expressivity, on the other hand, is said to be the degree to which a phenotype is expressed by individuals having a particular genotype. In case you didn't catch those subtle differences, let's go over them more carefully now. We will start with penetrance. Penetrance is essentially the percentage of the population with a given allele that actually expresses that allele. It might be helpful to look at an example. The small population below consists of 6 individuals who all have the same allelic composition. All of these individuals have a dominant allele, B. This allele codes for blue pigmentation. We know that the presence of a dominant allele should mean that all 6 individuals have the blue phenotype. Despite the presence of the B allele in all of the individuals, only 3 out of 6, or 50%, express that allele. This is penetrance. You may be wondering how individuals with the same genotype are expressing these genes differently. This is typically the result of 2 different interactions: genes and the environment, as well as the gene of interest and other genes. Let's quickly paraphrase before we move on, to ensure we are all on the same page. Our definition of penetrance is now understood to be the percentage of individuals with a given allele who exhibit the phenotype of that allele. Now let's move on and compare this to expressivity. Expressivity can be thought of as the degree to which a phenotype is expressed in an individual. Here we are looking at varying intensities of individuals with a given genotype. The 2 individuals have the same genotype encoding for blue coloration, but vary in the intensity of the expression. Now that we've defined both terms, let's compare them side by side one last time. Penetrance is the percentage of the individuals with a given allele that display the corresponding phenotype. Expressivity refers to the degree of intensity of the expression of a given genotype. Thank you for following along with the lesson. Be sure to like and subscribe, as well as comment your ideas for future videos. Thanks.